Hi, I'm Ashley Oswald with Oswald Digestive Clinic, and today we are going to talk about colloidal silver, the supplement, and whether it's helpful and whether it's safe. So you've probably heard a lot of people using colloidal silver for cold. They'll take it, when they feel a cold coming on, or the flu, and really all sorts of other things, which we're going to get into. And I actually had a subscriber ask me in a question on one of my other videos if I can make a video on this because it's really confusing. So because of that, yes, absolutely, I'll make a video, and I wanted to share that piece with you because if you are following my channel and you have a question, you're thinking, oh, I really wish that she would make a video on this, just let me know. I value you guys. I really value what you want, what content you want me to create. So please let me know. I'd be happy to cater to that. So before we begin, please hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Hit the bell next to the subscribe button and like this video. It all helps my videos go up in organic search so that I can keep making these videos for you. So now let's dive in to talking about colloidal silver. So let's start by talking about what colloidal silver is. It's basically the supplement of little silver particles. Yes, the same silver that you'll find in jewelry, that you'll find in silverware. So these little particles that are then mixed with another fluid like oil, for example. Now, people use colloidal silver for all sorts of reasons. The list is really long. Some of the ones that you've maybe heard of is for immune system support, some people for cancer, sometimes viruses, herpes, lung conditions, etc. So colloidal silver, when absorbed, it takes weeks to months to get out of the body. It'll come out through the skin and through feces with the help of bile, which is created in the liver and gallbladder. Now, if it's in the skin, it's going to take more than just a few months to get excreted. So now, here's where it gets confusing. In the laboratory research in petri dishes, so not in the human body, in these little petri dishes, colloidal silver was shown to, yes, help fight bacteria like staph and MRSA, E. coli, candida, and others. It was also shown to help fight against cancer cells, so colorectal cells and liver cells were studied. It also, in these petri cells, seems to fight against smallpox virus, and then also can help prevent oxidative damage in brain cells. So this is probably why people really hang on to the idea that colloidal silver can really help them. But remember, this is where it gets confusing, and I can understand why somebody wanted me to make a video on this because it is confusing. So yes, in petri dishes, it's shown to have all these properties. However, when we look at the research done on humans, we see a whole different story. So please don't stop watching the video here, or you are going to have the totally wrong impression. Now, with the research done on humans, colloidal silver supplementation is actually really concerning and can be really dangerous. Now, let me tell you more about that. The first thing that can happen when taking colloidal silver supplements is that it can turn the skin a bluish color. And this is actually probably one of the least concerning side effects, so keep watching. But that bluish color, it comes because when the sun hits the colloidal silver, it can cause the silver to go into its elemental form, causing that blue. Even fingernails can cause blue, and this is a permanent thing. It doesn't go away after you stop the colloidal silver, and maybe it's because of that really long half-life of excretion once it does get into the skin. Further, there are studies showing that supplementation with colloidal silver can cause brain issues, it can cause issues with internal organs, and it can even cause really severe kidney damage, because certainly that is one way of the body excreting it. Now, if you're pregnant, if you know somebody pregnant taking this, that's really concerning as well, because it can actually cross over through the placenta, and it's been linked to babies being born with these anomalies of the ear, face, and neck. In animal research that was used intravenously injected through the vein of these animals to test the safety, it was shown to cause systemic poisoning, so all over body poisoning, and death in many of the animals. And then in humans, there was 2 cases of individuals getting seizures from taking the supplement. One was of an individual that ended up in a coma, and he was in the hospital for months, and he ended up, being sick after he discharged still, and passed away within 5.5 months after discharge. Now, the other individual was a 75-year-old man who was taking colloidal silver just anytime he felt a cold coming on. So he wasn't taking it around the clock, and he was doing that for 4 years. Again, just anytime he felt a cold coming on. Well, he ended up getting seizures, had to be hospitalized for a couple months, and then he had to discharge to a nursing home. And further, as if all of that wasn't enough to convince you that you probably should avoid this supplement, the last thing I'll share is that colloidal silver, it's been shown to decrease the absorption of iodine in the body, which could lead to thyroid issues and other issues if you're not getting enough iodine. And then also it can bind with selenium and get deposited into the skin, so affecting your selenium mineral status in your body. And to summarize, I am all about using complementary nutrition therapies. In fact, I started a whole virtual digestive clinic to help people improve their gut health using functional and integrative medicine approaches, nutrition approaches. But when it comes to colloidal silver, I definitely would never take it myself, and I really strongly discourage you from taking it as well. And if you watch this whole video, I feel like I really don't have to convince you anymore. So I want to thank you so much for watching. If you are interested in more content, there are links in the description below for a free download on 5 ways to improve gut health, and then some other goodies. And if you know and can think of another topic that you would want me to make a video of, please do share. I'm on YouTube to help you, my community. I have 7 years of schooling in nutrition science, and I just want to be of value to you. So thank you again for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.